Movie camera, the wait is finally over. Fujifilm fans, this one's for you. The legendary X Pro line is making its big comeback with the all-new Fujifilm X Pro 4, and trust me, this could be one of the most important camera launches of the decade. From a brand new 40MP sensor, powerful AI autofocus, 6K video recording, and even long-awaited in-body stabilization, the X Pro 4 isn't just an upgrade, it's a total reinvention of the iconic hybrid rangefinder. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know: the leaked specs, rumored price, design updates, and of course, the expected release date. If you're a street photographer, content creator, or just a Fujifilm lover, you're not going to want to miss this. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The photography world has been buzzing with excitement as whispers, leaks, and rumors about the Fujifilm X Pro 4 continue to spread. Fujifilm's X Pro line has always been iconic, standing out not only for its rangefinder-inspired design, but also for its ability to merge traditional photography aesthetics with cutting-edge mirrorless technology. Now, with the highly anticipated release of the X Pro 4, the stakes have never been higher. Photographers, street shooters, and content creators worldwide are eager to see what Fujifilm has in store with its latest flagship in the hybrid rangefinder series. If the early information is accurate, the X Pro 4 could be the perfect blend of timeless design and forward-looking innovation. In this video, we'll explore the expected specs, price leaks, design updates, and the possible release date of the Fujifilm X Pro 4, and why this camera could be one of the most important launches in Fujifilm's history. The Fujifilm X Pro series has always stood apart from the rest of the X series lineup. While the XT and XH lines focus on versatility and hybrid performance, the X Pro cameras have catered to photographers who value a tactile shooting experience and the aesthetics of classic rangefinder photography. The X Pro 3, released in late 2019, was a bold step that divided opinions, especially with its hidden LCD screen design. Some loved it for forcing photographers to rely on the hybrid optical/electronic viewfinder, while others found it impractical for modern workflows. After nearly 5 years, anticipation for the successor is sky-high, and the X Pro 4 promises to address the criticisms while pushing forward in image quality, performance, and usability. When it comes to specs, the leaks point toward a powerful upgrade. At the heart of the X Pro 4 is expected to be Fujifilm's next-generation 40MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor, the same one found in the X-T5 and X-H2. This sensor has already proven itself as one of the sharpest APS-C sensors on the market, offering incredible detail, dynamic range, and color rendition. Combined with the latest X Processor 5, the X Pro 4 will likely deliver blistering performance, faster autofocus, and improved noise control at higher ISOs. For photographers who demand resolution without sacrificing portability, this could be a dream come true. Autofocus is another area where big changes are expected. The X Pro 3 was decent, but in the years since, Fujifilm has made major strides with AI-driven subject detection autofocus. The X Pro 4 is rumored to inherit these capabilities, meaning it could track people, animals, birds, cars, and even planes with precision and consistency. For street photographers, who often shoot in fast-moving, unpredictable